Good evening. In today's session, let's look at right to education. Why we are discussing about right to education now, that also we will be discussing in this session. If you look at the right to education, that is basically meant for providing free and compulsory education to all the children between the age of 6 and 14 years. Because we have made through 86th amendment, a right to education has been made a fundamental right, and we have added article number 21A. Now, in order to give effect to this one, a right to education act was passed in the year 2009, and the same came into effect on April 1st 2010. So now it's more than this 11 years now. But how many states are implementing this? For example, if you look at states like Tamil Nadu, Karnataka, Maharashtra, Madhya Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, Uttar Pradesh, Uttaranchal, so like this, this Uttarakhand. So these are all the states, that are being, implementing right to education. So under this particular right to education, one important provision under section 12(1)(c) is that in every private school, 25% of the seats must be reserved for the socially and economically backward sections of the society. So 25% must be reserved for them. So then what will happen? So if you look at the admissions in this LKG or in the first standard, so whatever the admissions that you are taking, 25% must be reserved for the children who are living in surrounding areas. But what about the fees? Right, these are the socially and economically backward sections. But who will pay for them? Government will be paying for them. Meaning, government will pay to the school administration. But how much money that is being taken by the schools? Even for that, a commission will be established, and according to the report submitted by the commission, the fee will be decided, and the same amount will be paid by the government per student to the school administration. And the school administration is also expected to collect the equal amount, same amount from the other general students, right? So now, as far as the right to education is concerned, there was a stay in Andhra Pradesh, but the stay has been lifted now, and Andhra Pradesh is going for implementing a right to education, and Andhra Pradesh is joining the states like Tamil Nadu, this Maharashtra, and all these states. So this is really wonderful one, and hopefully this should be implemented throughout the country, meaning in all the states it must be implemented as early as possible, so that the people, economically weaker sections of the society, will be getting the corporate education. So this is one wonderful aspect. Fine. So these are the few updates regarding right to education. But kindly remember, right to education today is a fundamental right under article number 21A. Right? Meaning all the children between the age group of 6 and 14 must be provided with the free and compulsory education. To give effect to that one, Right to Education Act was passed by Parliament in the year 2009, and it came into effect on April 1st 2010. Fine. So please remember these points, and I'll see you in the next session. Thank you so much.